केसीआर को क्यों गुस्सा आया है? Was it because his government's failure got exposed? Has Telangana Chief Minister K. Chandrasekhar Rao is losing the fight against most dreaded COVID-19 pandemic? Does his government's lies exposed on so-called COVID-19 tests? Is his government hiding facts on COVID-19 related deaths? Was he shaken with the Union Health Secretary Preeti Sudan's letter? Hence chosen the confrontationist path to hurl choicest abuses against the centre over its COVID-19 economic stimulus package? KCR's unusual behaviour at a news conference on Monday against the centre has raised many eyebrows in political circles. Many pondered his sudden anger against the centre, maybe to revive his unfulfilled dreams to float a federal, roping in non-Congress and non-BJP regional parties. But with the senior journalist Shekhar Gupta's exposure regarding KCR government's fudging figures on either in conducting COVID-19 determination tests or deaths. The central team which visited the state apparently found too many flaws in KCR government's claim which are against the set Indian Council for Medical Research ICMR norms to prevent spread of pandemic. This is what senior journalist Shekhar Gupta has to say.
So as I saw the data yesterday, I did tweet that the way Telangana is testing looks like Telangana is following a law of its own. Unless Telangana believes that Article 370 has now been shifted from Jammu and Kashmir to Telangana and it applies there. So Telangana, any central decision doesn't apply to Telangana unless the bosses of Telangana approve it. I said that. Immediately I got a pushback from the Health Minister of Telangana, Ital Rajinder, who asserted that look, our testing policy is actually better than everybody else's. We are following ICMR guidelines in the full and ICMR is happy with what we are doing. Telangana government is lying. They are lying. The behavior they are indulging in is dangerous, not just for their state and their city, but for India.
In fact, even your Orange News 9 TV has raised these genuine doubts over KCR government's insincere handling of pandemic. In its recent video reports, Orange News 9 TV did show prevailing sad state of affairs in Old City, where his electoral ally, Majlis-e-Ittehad Muslimin, MIM, rules the roost. Whether the reprehensible behavior of MIM's Malakpet MLA Balals in removing barricades set at a containment zone in his constituency or his party colleagues roughing up with the police on duty in other areas of the old city, these incidents clearly exposes KCR government's miserable failure in COVID-19 fight. To cover his government's failure, KCR impatience as well as unwarranted attack against the centre is evident from his behavior at a news conference.
అది వట్టి డొల్లా 100% బోకస్. ఇది చాలా దుర్మార్గమైనటువంటి ప్యాకేజ్. పూర్తి ఫ్యూడల్ విధానంలో ఉంది, నియంతృత్వ వైఖరితో ఉంది. దీన్ని మేము పూర్తి స్థాయిలో ఖండిస్తూ ఉన్నాం. మేము అడిగింది, మేము కోరింది ఇది కాదు. దారుణాతి దారుణమైన విషయం ఏంటంటే, ఒక ఘోర విపత్తు సంభవించి కరోనా లాంటి వైరస్ ప్రపంచాన్ని అతలాకుతలం చేసి మొత్తం దేశాలు, ప్రపంచాలు, రాష్ట్రాల యొక్క ఆర్థిక పరిస్థితి నిర్వీర్యం చేసిన సందర్భంలో రాష్ట్రాలకు కావాల్సింది ఏందండి? రాష్ట్రాల చేతుల్లోకి నగదు రావాలి అని మేము కోరినాం. ఆ నగదు రాష్ట్రాల చేతుల్లోకి వస్తే అనేక రూపాల్లో ప్రజల్లోకి పంపిణీపోతాం. అది మేము అడిగితే మీరు రాష్ట్రాలను భిక్షగాలుగా భావించి, ఒక బెగ్గర్స్ లాగా భావించి ఏం చేసిందండి కేంద్రం? ఇదేనా రిఫార్మ్స్ అమలు చేసే పద్ధతి ఇండియాలో?
Meanwhile, the state BJP too has taken KCR government over suppressing information on COVID-19 facts. Party's chief spokesperson Krishnasagar Rao wondered what KCR government wants to gain by falsifying facts. He said his party demands for resignation of the state health minister Ittala Rajendra for playing with the lives of Telangana people with such wrong figures. Listen to BJP spokesperson.
BJP and the entire nation is baffled at the degree of irresponsibility and brazenness with which Telangana state government is managing COVID-19 public health crisis in the state of Telangana. By May 15th, the data shows that only 22,000 tests have been conducted in the state, while the states like Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh has conducted in lakhs. Now one wonders why CM KCR and his government wants to underreport COVID-19 infection rate in the state. What will they get? I mean, what is this glory, falsified glory? And why are they not testing enough? It's common sense that if you don't test, you cannot isolate, you cannot trace, and you cannot contain the infection rate. Now, by not testing, they're endangering the entire population, and the community spread as we speak is underway in Telangana state. It can also impact the entire nation. Bharatiya Janata Party consider this as a serious violation of public health system, and we demand the resignation immediately of the health minister, Mr. Etala Rajendra, for not having delivered his role and for endangering the entire state's population.
In that backdrop, it's now clear the reason behind KCR's visibly disturbed state of his mind against the centre. But what if the centre, as professed by Shekhar Gupta regarding declaring historic Hyderabad city as a yet another union territory? This is K. Ramakrishna for Orange News 9 TV.